Today we're going to go ahead and take a look on how we can use CashPirate to make money. So if you are interested, go ahead and stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money from home or from your phone. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe, and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And also don't forget to check out that gift card giveaway that we are doing for the month of March. The details are going to be in the description below this video. And while you are in the description below this video, if you are interested in learning on how I make money online, check out the first link below this video. That is my #1 source of income stream online. So that is that first link. Now we're going to go ahead and dive into this app. We're currently in the Google Play Store, so this is what the app looks like, and we're gonna go ahead and just dive into the app and take a look at it and what it is all about. So it is rated a 4.4 star out of 5 stars, and it does has some reviews, and it has been reviewed, it has been rated by over 90,000 people. So you can come in here and read about other people's experiences as well, if you are interested in learning a little bit more before you download this app to your phone. And here they share with you what's new, and we're gonna go ahead and find the developer contact information, which is here. They do have a website. They do have an email address right here. So if you are interested in trying this app and you end up having some issues or have any concerns, you have any questions, suggestions, this is where you can come and find the information to contact the developers directly, and that way you can get the assistance that you need. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the images. So right off the bat, we can see that it says that 1,000 coins equals to $1. So for everything that you do in this app, they will pay you in coins, but then you turn those coins into money. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the images. So it says CashPirate, make and earn money. Okay, then it shows you here what you can do. You can they have different apps, I guess, that you can download and make some money. I'm assuming that's how it is, but we're gonna find out here on how to use the CashPirate app. So it says plenty of offers, click to collect coins. Okay, cool surveys. Okay, so they do have surveys, most advanced referral system. Okay, so you can refer friends as well, it looks like. So you can refer friends, and then cash for coins. Okay, now it says also I guess you can get Amazon money or PayPal money. It's up to you what you want. So those are the only things that are displayed here. So like it said on the first image that we saw, 1,000 coins equals to $1. So if you have 2,500 coins, you get $2.50, and if you have 5,000 coins, you will get $5. So it's up to you to decide if you want to transfer it to PayPal, or you want to get an Amazon card. And it says mobile recharge. To redeem your coins for mobile recharge, please click the following link, select your recharge package. Okay, you can recharge your mobile. I'm not sure what is that about, to be honest with you, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, it says download CashPirate now. Okay, so let's read the about section, because I'm a little confused, not sure yet as to what this app is all about. So we're gonna go ahead and read here. So it says with CashPirate, you can easily earn free money. How to make free money now. It says download the app, sign in and make free money by downloading free apps, trying free games, inviting friends, and get at least 10% of their earnings as bonus, completing surveys, free product trials, watching videos, and more. Okay, so they do have a lot of ways to earn money in this app. So this is how you can use the app to earn money. It says it is really that simple to make free money. Join now to earn free gift cards, cash rewards, and mobile recharge. I'm not sure about the mobile recharge, but I guess if you have, I don't know, to be honest with you. I want to guess, but I'm just not gonna say anything because I don't know what this means. Now, we gave you the most advanced referral system. Earn even more money by inviting your friends. It's just send invite code via mail, short message, or Facebook to your friends and receive 10% of all their referrals coins. 5% of all the coins of your referrals. Okay. So that's really good. So if your friends, so all this, what this means is that if you refer a friend, you'll earn 10% of the coins they earned. And once your friend refers somebody else, you'll end up getting 5% of all their coins. So that's pretty good. That's like a little tier going on here that you can actually earn a percentage of what your friends earn. So I think that's pretty good. I have never seen that in an app. This is the first time I see this. And it says this way you will make even more faster money, and you can set yourself higher goals with higher payouts, better gift cards, or more balance on your mobile. Your coins can be cashed out through PayPal, different gift cards, or mobile recharge. How to make free money. Earn free money by using Cash Pirate. Download the app and register with your email address. Complete any offers you like. Watch out for tips of the day and specials. Invite friends and make even more money when you made at least 2,500 coins. You can request a payout via PayPal, receive gift cards by mail, or opt for mobile recharge. Start right away and have fun making money. Please don't forget to rate us and leave your invite code if you like. If you need any help, please let us know through our customer support service by sending an email. Follow us on social media to hear first about special promotions and benefits. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. So they do have social media accounts that you can go and follow them. And it says added mobile recharge in more than 120 countries as additional payout option. Okay, so I guess this app is available worldwide. So if you are interested, you can check it out and see if it's available in your country and stuff. For what it seems, I think it may be available worldwide. That's why it says that they added 120 countries as additional payout option for mobile recharge. So I want to say they are available worldwide, but don't take my word for it. Go ahead and try it for yourself and find out and see if it's available and in your country. And if it is, then if you end up trying this out, don't forget to comment, leave us a comment, give us an update on how is it going for you in the comment section below. We like it when you guys come and share your experience, your opinions, or if you know of anybody who have used this app and they have had any positive or negative or neutral experience with this app, don't hesitate to leave those comments in the comment section below. It really helps everybody. If let's say for instance, if somebody comes across this video and they're interested in learning a little bit more, but they don't want to come to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store to read about this app, then you can just leave a comment, a brief comment, letting people know how it works for you, and have you been able to redeem your money? Do you have any experience with a mobile recharge? Most importantly, I would like to ask that question to you guys. If you guys have any experience with this app, do you know what's the mobile recharge and how does it work? Is it for like prepaid phones to where you pay as you go, kind of like you just add minutes as you go? Um, let us know in the comment section below. I don't really know. I don't have any personal experience using this app, so I will not be able to share any experience with you at this point in time. But if you guys have or know of anybody who have had any experience using this app, don't hesitate to let us know and share that with us in the comments below this section. And if this video was helpful to you, please like it, and it really helps the video and it helps this channel when you guys like and leave comments in our videos. And also, if you are not subscribed and you're still here watching this video, please consider subscribing and help us reach to our 1,000 subscribers before the end of April. And that is my goal, and we are on our way there. We are a little above 300 subscribers now, so that is going great. We're seeing small changes, small increase, but we are seeing them. So thank you so much for all of your support, for all of you that are here watching the video and supporting this channel. Thank you so much, and don't forget to go follow us on all of our other social media platforms. The links are in the description, so go ahead and find those in the description below this video. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.